Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will make a delicious cake that those of you with a sweet tooth will love it. If you are looking for the exact amounts, let us know in the comments below. First, we start to separate a few eggs. We will beat the egg whites until they are firm, but without sugar. We then proceed by adding a pinch of salt to our egg yolks, and we start to beat them while constantly adding the sugar. Next, we mix the cocoa powder with the plain flour. We add them to a bowl and we mix them well together until we get a thick cream. When done, we mix it together with our egg whites, and for this we use a spatula. We gently fold it without breaking the egg whites. We pour the mix in a tray and we bake it for roughly 10 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Our first layer is done, so we proceed to make our cream. We add the milk in a pan, and on low heat, we bring it almost to the boiling point. We then add the semolina, we constantly mix it for a minute, and then we add the sugar. When the sugar melts, we add the desiccated coconut. We mix it in, and last we add the butter. The last mix and our coconut cream is done. This is the consistency you're looking for. Now that our cream is done, we will make another cake layer. We melt the sugar in a pan over steam while adding the milk, along with the butter and some honey. When the sugar is completely melted, we turn off the heat and we add a whole egg. We whisk it in and we put it aside. In a large bowl, we add some baking powder to our flour, followed by a pinch of salt, and we mix them all together. When done, we add the liquid that we made earlier, and we mix them together. We work it on a table until we get a smooth dough out of it. We portion it and we stretch it to the shape of our tray. Before stretching it, you can let it rest in the fridge. It will be easier because it won't stick so much. We add it to our baking tray and we poke holes in it with our fork. We will bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for roughly 8 minutes. Be careful not to burn it. Our layers are ready, so we start stacking them. The base layer is with honey. We spread half of our coconut cream on top of it. We then add the other layer with cocoa powder and we repeat the process. Last, we seal it with the other layer of honey. We let it rest for half an hour until it softens up and we cut it up. Those of you who love sweet cakes, you can coat them with white chocolate followed by some milk chocolate. But you can skip this part or add any other frosting to it. It is an amazing looking cake that is simply delicious. The sweetness from the honey with the coconut cream and the chocolate are a great combo. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, if you like our content or you saw something interesting, then please subscribe to our channel. It helps us to make more content in the future. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.